The 58th gene key of bliss is one of the most extraordinary ones, my friends. What is bliss? It is this, it is this, it is this. It moves from the shadow of dissatisfaction to bliss through the gift of vitality, and that really says it all. Because it's about the movement, the emergence, the expression, the taste of life itself. And we have this expression in English called the bliss point, and it describes this meeting of opposites, this perfect balance and ratio that brings us to a realization of wholeness. And dissatisfaction is the shadow where that sense of perfection and wholeness and absolute joy is intuited, is desired, is subtly perceived as being elsewhere, as being potential, as not being here. And so the divine dissatisfaction strives for this. And at a certain moment, the striving exhausts itself, and all you can do is stop. And when you stop running and chasing and seeking and searching, and you just fall back into what you already are, well, there you find vitality, you find the breath, you find the sensitivity of being, the receptivity of being, and that beingness, that immeasurable capacity, which is our sentience, is naturally full of itself. It's naturally full of the awe and the wonder and the gratitude and the joy of perceiving through the countless myriad eyes of the pixels, of the Plancks, of the atoms, of the motes, of being the monad. It's like a big joke. So may bliss catch you as you pause, as we stop thinking and projecting and being elsewhere than in the now, May the bliss catch us like the cosmic hammock, the swing, the jungle gym, the simple joy of being that is here. It is this, it is this, it is this. I think this is one of my favorite gene keys, although I say that about a lot of them, It's just that this light is our true nature, and it beams. It beams with such a sense of completion and gratitude. And that's right here, right now. inside your heart, and infinitely accessible. That's it for today. See you soon. Bye-bye.